Hey everyone! Is your car suddenly struggling to shift gears smoothly? Or maybe you're noticing delayed shifting jerky acceleration? And that annoying check engine light is staring at you? If you scanned your car and saw the code P0875, transmission fluid pressure sensor switch B circuit, then don't ignore it. This small sensor fault can lead to major transmission damage if left untreated, but the good news is, it's an easy fix once you know where to look and what to check, so let's break it down. The diagnostic trouble code P0875 means that the transmission control module, TCM, has detected an abnormal or faulty signal coming from the transmission fluid pressure sensor B. This sensor is responsible for monitoring the fluid pressure inside your transmission and reporting it to the TCM to ensure smooth and timely gear shifts. When this sensor sends an out-of-range signal or no signal at all, the TCM triggers the P0875 code and may put the vehicle into limp mode to protect the transmission. If your car has this error code, you might experience hard or delayed gear shifting, transmission slipping, car stuck in limp mode, poor fuel efficiency, check engine light on, transmission overheating. In most vehicles, the TFPS-B sensor is mounted inside the transmission, specifically on or near the valve body, which is located inside the transmission oil pan. For front-wheel drive vehicles, usually it's accessible by removing the transmission pan. For rear-wheel drive vehicles, located inside the transmission case attached to the valve body assembly, transmission control module, TCM, typically found inside the engine bay near the battery, or sometimes under the driver's dashboard area. Wiring harness and connectors runs along the transmission housing and connects to the TCM and sensor. Always refer to your vehicle's service manual for the exact location based on the make and model. Some of the most common causes are faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor B, damaged or corroded wiring and connectors, low, dirty or burnt transmission fluid, internal transmission failure, valve body issue, faulty TCM. Step 1. Check your transmission fluid level and condition. Top up or replace if dirty or burnt. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS-B sensor. Test it with a multimeter and replace if necessary. Step 3. Inspect the wiring harness and connectors for loose connections, corrosion, or damage. Step 4. If everything looks fine, remove the transmission pan and check the valve body and sensor mounting area. Step 5. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive to verify the fix. Ignoring P0875 can cause serious damage to your transmission over time. So, if you're facing shifting problems or limp mode, check that fluid pressure sensor B, inspect the wiring, and don't forget to keep your transmission fluid clean and at the right level. For more car trouble code explanations and fixes, watch these two videos next. P0616 starter relay circuit low, P0617 starter relay circuit high. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.